In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a client in Practice Better. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to consider before you permanently remove a client record. Start on your practitioner or admin dashboard. From here, open the My Clients section. This is your central list of all client profiles, and it's the best place to locate the record you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific client. Take a moment to verify you've selected the correct person, as the next steps will permanently affect their data. Once you've found the client, look to the right of their name for the More Options icon, which appears as 3 dots. Click that icon to open a small menu. In that menu, choose Delete. Selecting Delete doesn't immediately erase anything. It simply starts the deletion process and gives you a chance to review your decision. If you haven't already backed up the client's data, Practice Better will prompt you to export their record first. This export is optional, but it's strongly recommended, especially if you might need their history later for your own records or for compliance with your professional policies. The export can include key information like forms, notes, documents, and other items associated with the client, depending on your plan and permissions. Save the file in a secure location and follow your organization's data handling standards. Doing this now can prevent headaches later if you realize you need something from the record. When you're confident you're ready, confirm the deletion. Practice Better will then remove the client record along with their associated data. This typically includes things like appointments, notes, attachments, and other items linked to that profile. Keep in mind that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Because of that, it's worth pausing for a final review to ensure you're removing the correct client and that any necessary backups are complete. That's all there is to it. Go to My Clients, choose the client, open the 3 dots menu, select Delete, export if needed, and confirm. A quick tip before we wrap up. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have the necessary permissions in your role, so check with your account administrator. Otherwise, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you manage your client records confidently and responsibly in Practice Better.